Introduce highlight features or overview summary for EurHomePlus manual heat press machine, 900 watt, dual heated plates stamping printer. Highlight features or overview summary are include: sturdy and durable. The machine is mainly made of high-class iron and aluminum with a painting treatment, making it high-temperature resistant and sturdy. So it can be practical and beautiful without frequent replacement. High safety. Compared to conventional machines, our product has overload protection to ensure the stability of product use and your safety. Even heating. The rectangular heating pad heats up evenly and prints the graphic onto t-shirts or hats. In addition, the adjustable temperature, 0 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and adjustable time, 0 to 999 seconds, can meet your different needs. Thoughtful design. An intelligent operation panel, one touch switch, and LCD screen can facilitate your operation as well as observation, making it smoother and simpler for you to use. High efficiency. Thanks to the quality aluminum heating plate and 900 power, it can heat press labels to 2.36 x 4.72 inches, allowing you to DIY your favorite t-shirts in a short time. Enjoy DIY. With it, you can DIY the pattern image of your beloved person or object on the t-shirt at home. So that you can not only enjoy the fun of the production process but also better express your love and adoration. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.